Our last game for today in the 2023 Memorial API Tournament. I'm trying to get the 20 minutes on. Oh, sick. All right. Black and blue. Blue with the win. Gotta shoot that, Shoot that. Bruno. Gotta help, that's the help. Oh, looky. Hey, you're aggressive. I like that. Number 1. And 1. Shooting 1. And he missed. 2-0. Oh man. Oh, another one. Still only lost the touch from the last game. The second touch. 2-2. Shoot 1. Good hustle play. Right now, blue ball. Oh, that's a rip. You gotta get it. Oh. Good hustle. Number 34. Good hustle play. All right, here we go. For 3. Ooh, off the back of the leg. Oh, good pass, good launch. Look at the floor. Buckets. Oh, he leaped out. Oh, nobody stopped the ball. Bucket for 3. 9-5. What's that? So we got a lot of time to go. Oh, offensive foul. For 24, the offensive foul. Oh, nice pass. And we got 3 seconds. 3 seconds on number 20. 34 seconds. He's leaking out again. Oh, 7-9. Team right back with the 2-point lead. Oh, he left him. Good cut. Good block. Going down, that ball. Looks like what they're playing. 99 little press. Oh! right, here we go. Another stolen ball. Hold on. Right down. Black ball. Stepped out of bounds. Oh, another one. Traveling. For three. Oh, short. Jumper's good. Bucket, number one. So far he's in the early.